All right, we got a vacant house. The batteries on the keypad died, so I'm gonna open it, make sure no one's inside, right? And change the batteries, make a key, all the above. It's hard because it's like under some sort of weird pressure from the batteries. All right, guys, this house is for sale, Fallon Hills. It's going on the market tomorrow. I work with a lot of realtors in town. All right, we need to take out this piece. There's a couple screws holding this plate on. I don't know this lock at all. No, we gotta take these off too. Thought it would just pull out, but it doesn't. I'll take it to my van, I'll show you guys. All right, so to get this part out, we gotta take these two things off. Just use a little wrench, turn it. If I can. Of course, they're like stuck. There we go. There were two screws that I took off. Those had to come off, but these are actually blocking it too. Take these off. Okay, now this cover will come off. And now this will come off. That's what we needed. Use a flat head. There's a little pin I have to push down in here. Turn that. Take that out. It's still picked, so it comes right out. Make a new key to it. I technically could just cut a key to those cuts. There's no numbers on it, but I think I got it. It's like an in-between cut, so we're gonna go like an in-between number. It's not a quick set original, so whatever I think it is, I just go up by a couple. Or down by a couple, I guess. That's too high. Okay, so like, okay, they're all flush. Should work. Put that in. There we go. That's our new key. Try this key. Can't get it in. Okay, that one works. That one works. It's like too thick for this lock, so I'll shave the key down on the sides, make it work even better. Change the batteries for them. All right, we're gonna put this lock back together now. It just sits there. And these go in. All right, these are on good now. Put it back on the door. All right, that's locked. Try it with the key. That's unlocked. Picture for the client. And we're out of here. All right, new keys. We're all done. I don't know why earlier it was like bouncing back and forth. Lock it. That's weird. How did it just open? Just put that code in. Okay, unlocked. Closed. Locked. Uh-oh, it's going crazy on me. It's not actually closing over here. We'll fix that for them. How did they get locked out? I have no idea. You have to pull the door in. I'm gonna adjust that, because if not. Okay, I just cut that. Grinded it down a little bit. Let's try it again. Still not. So if I pull it, Now it's locked. That's not the code. I don't want to shoot the code again. Okay. I had to pull it into a little bit. I'm gonna make it bigger. All right, locked. There we go. Unlock. We're out of here.